Hi, I'm Tony of A&R Boilers, your local boiler repair experts. If your boiler needs repairing, just carry on watching this video. Before you call anyone out, make sure you carry out the following checks what I'm going to show you. Make sure the engineer you're going to call has got good Google reviews, and read the reviews too. It will really help you making your decisions. Not only do you want great technical skills, you want great people skills too. It makes all the difference. Here are some hints and tips that might help you. Is your electric turned on? Is your boiler on 1 bar on the pressure gauge? Is your gas meter turned on? Is your cold water turned on? And is your room thermostat turned up high enough? If you still need a boiler repair after trying our hints and tips, just simply click on the links below and you will find our services. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. So that's the end of our hints and tips video. If you like what you've seen, you can share it with your family and friends. So that's it from me, and I'll see you on the next video.